Master English Intonation. Practical exercises for a natural sound. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English intonation. This topic is crucial for sounding more natural and confident in English. Remember, intonation is all about how the pitch of your voice goes up and down when you speak. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's understand the basics of intonation patterns in English. English intonation can generally be classified into rising intonation and falling intonation. Rising intonation usually happens when we ask yes/no questions or when we're not finished speaking yet. For instance, in the question, "Are you going to the party?" Falling intonation typically occurs at the end of statements or when we're asking information questions, such as, "Where is the library?" The best way to master intonation patterns is through practice. Let's get into some exercises. Exercise 1. Echo practice. Echo practice is a great way to start. This involves listening to a phrase, sentence, or paragraph and then repeating it exactly as you heard it, imitating the intonation. Here are a few sentences you can practice with. 1. Are you going to the store? Rising intonation. 2. I love playing soccer on weekends. Falling intonation. Exercise 2. Shadowing. Shadowing involves listening to a piece of audio and repeating what you hear as closely as possible. This exercise helps you absorb natural intonation patterns. Find a podcast, audiobook, or a video in English and try to mimic the speaker's intonation. Exercise 3. Intonation drills. Intonation drills are great for focused practice. Repeat the following phrases, paying attention to the intonation. 1. Really? Rising. 2. That's interesting. Falling. Always remember, practice makes perfect. An excellent way to see your progress is by recording your voice. Record yourself while practicing the exercises. After a few rounds of practice, listen to your recordings. This will help you identify areas where you can improve your intonation. That's all for today. Remember, mastering intonation takes time and practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it perfect right away. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement. We hope this video helps you in your journey to speak English more naturally. Stay tuned for more in our English language learning series. Until next time, happy learning!